Good morning, today is February 1st and today's refinishing project is located once again in Livermore, California. Alright, so today in Livermore we're going to be refinishing this standard size bathtub here. This bathtub has been previously refinished. As you can tell, I guess it was refinished a long time ago. Here's some issues with it. And then the major issue is this. We got some serious rust issues over here by the overflows. This particular tub is a steel porcelain overlay type of bathtub. So this is kind of common for these type of bathtubs. And a lot of time rust starts developing right here and by the drain. But we're going to strip it first, and then we're going to see how bad the rust is, and then we're going to go from there with the repairs. All right, so this is the project for today here in Livermore, California, and we'll follow up once we're done. All right, we finished up the bathtub here in Livermore. Let's check it out. All right, so here's the rust repair that was made over the overflow here. And put a new overflow cover on there. Turned out really good, nice and sealed. That's solid right there now. It was pretty bad, as you remember before, but this one was able to be saved. The rust didn't spread. It was contained in that general area, and so we were able to repair it. Some tubs, they're just too far gone, the rust spread, and it's brittle all along here and here on the walls. And those ones pretty much would be a replacement. But if the rust is contained and it's solid around, the metal is solid around the rust area, then that could be repaired. It turned out really nice. All right, so here's the bathtub in Livermore, California. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.